This is the beautiful scenery of the midnight sun in Tromsø or North Norway. It's not only Tromsø, but all the places in the Arctic Circle. As you can see, guys, you see it was full of snow before, but now you can see that bulb. Where is it? Ah, there. It's too early. Because yesterday it was a storm and also wind. But see, guys, they come up very quickly. But it's chilly, guys. I feel cold now. But I just want to show you the beauty of the midnight sun. This is nearly 11 o'clock, midnight. You can hear also the birds singing, chirping. They are very happy, flying around. When I was new here in this place, I'm really amazed. And I never know that there is like this in this country or the place where I live now. That 24 hours daylight, and if we are lucky, there is a sunshine. But days here mostly is cloudy, if not some rains. So when the sun comes out, then all people are very happy, and also the birds. Yan, oh, may mga birds saka ducks. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. See you again next time. Stay connected. Pinay Norway life. Once more, I'm gonna show you the bright sun.